Hello children, good morning. Today's fitness lesson is Griva exercise. Griva means gall. Gall in neck exercise. Okay. Every part is you have different exercise. The stomach exercise, backbone exercise, breathing exercise. Like this is here is Griva exercise. I'll give you Griva exercise, Golor exercise. Okay, then I'll show you. You also ready and open your video and do with me. Anytime you can do. Okay, like first exercise, Griva exercise. Slowly left side, hit on your left side, straight, right, straight, front, straight. And remember, when you are doing exercise, don't do hurry like this. Then you are getting some problem your head. Slowly, all exercise do slowly, like it. Back. Some people are doing exercise here like that. Okay, do slowly. All asana, what are doing in yoga asana, please you do slowly and clearly. Okay, next is round your head, 360 degree. Then again opposite side, again opposite side, 360 degree. Okay, then now I'll show you. Use your hands. Look, this one is my right hand, and right hand is press your head inside and head is right side like this. Okay, yeah, push opposite side. Then another hand, yeah. Then front side, your forehead, two palm, just give here and push. Two hands is the back side and head is front side like this. Then two hands back side. Then the head is push back side and hands is front side like this. And this exercise continue do 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, not only 1 time. Okay, do continue again, yeah, like this, yeah, again, around. Okay, and this exercise, and see, yes, sound is coming your neck, from bone. Okay, it's very good, this exercise. Then another exercise, now you see. This one is you need something support from ground. Ground is very hard, and this one is like these things. And you don't have like this. You can use your Tokia, Sirani, and some cloth you fold like this. Okay, 2-3 fold, then put here like this. Okay, yeah, like this. 2 knees behind, hands here, and put down your head. Yeah, middle. Okay, and 2 hands is behind. Then remain here at least 2-3, 1 minute also, half minute also you can remain here. Then you can change your head position. Take support. Now you give your forehead. Yeah, forehead. Change your position again, left side. Yeah. Your body weight is going your neck. Like this, 3-4 position you can do. Yeah. Now another one is put head again here, then knee up. And this one is little hard. You stay like this, continue how long you can stay. And very good your Griva, your neck exercise. Okay, then come down slowly. Okay, and then from here you go Vajrasana. Before you did Sukhasana, now you can do again from Vajrasana also. Same thing. Same thing you repeat again. Yeah. Two hands you put in your thigh, then continue. Front side, left side, again. Do continue this exercise till 10 minutes. Do repeat 2 times, 3 times. Repeat. And today's finish your Griva exercise. And I hope you are doing very nicely at home. And not only you, tell your parents, tell your guardians, who is elder, younger, everybody can do this exercise. Not only you, everybody can do. And very good. And today, this episode finish here. Now I'll try to give next episode again, another lesson.